Just a quick helpful tip: if you're getting a lot of frequent DPF messages on your car and it wants to regen all the time, somebody on the forums advised it may be a split hose causing it, which in my case, just to give you an overview of where it is, was this one here. So here's the one I've just taken off. You can see you got a reasonable split there, and I'm told that that causes the air fuel mixture to be all wrong, which clogs up your DPF. So this new part was cheap from Auto Doc. I think it was about £10 or £13 or something. It wasn't much, and that's what you need to get it going. It's easy to change over with a standard flat blade screwdriver and maybe some pliers to pull the old one out. The way I did it was slackened off the clamps and then just pulled this forwards. It is very stiff, you have to unclip your fuel pipes, but yeah, pull that forwards to bring it out and then just wiggle the pipe free, and it does come out. I'm just doing this on the side of the road at the moment because I had some spare time, so yeah, it's a easy job, easy DIY job, and time will tell whether it holds up.